So, you wanted to dive into virtual reality and want to experience the VR mode while watching YouTube videos. Don't worry, I'll provide you a simple step-by-step guide on how to enable and use VR mode using the YouTube application. S- Step 1. Open the YouTube app. Step 2. Search for a video you wanted to play. At the top right corner, click the setting and choose additional settings. Select watch in VR. Once you're all done, all you need to do is to put your phone into your VR headset and configure headset settings and you're all set. If you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more videos.